What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. We got our man Z in the mix. Yeah, there you go. Alright guys, so we're back in Steven's shop and the car is on the jacks. As you guys saw in one of my previous videos, we attempted to install an ACT clutch and flywheel, and obviously we ran into some complications because it just didn't fit, man. So I had to send back the old flywheel that I ordered, the OEM style, and 86Speed was pretty cool about it. They refunded me the money and I used it to order an ACT flywheel. So we got everything we need. Steven brought out the whole freaking toolbox. We have all the tools right here on top. So, you know, as to make it easier, last time it took us a really long time, and it was because I was like kind of doing it by myself and Steven was jumping in and out and helping me figure out what tools I needed. So now that we have everything on top here, it should be much easier and it should flow much faster. So any complications, any issues that I might run into, I'm gonna let you guys know. But for the most part, it's gonna be time lapse like I did in the last video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned. Let's get it. Bang, baby. Oh, Steven in the mix, yo. Say what's up, Steve.
What up?
Yeah. Damn, Bobby out here just removing shit.
Bro, I'm not playing games today, bro. I want to do this quick. Alright, so let's go.
Bobby got a dig appointment.
Hell yeah, bro. You know I got that. Alright guys, so we just pretty much took apart the whole interior and as you can see. And we took out the shifter from the middle. As you can see from the time lapse, it's not, you know, it's not that complicated. It's pretty straightforward. So what we're gonna do now is there's a few bolts to remove from the top, and also you want to make sure that you disconnect your battery before you start doing any of this.
Disconnect the negative terminal, because
Yeah.
if you do the positive while the negative thing is there, it'll spark.
Yeah, so make sure you do that. I knew that when I was, anyways. Yeah, so we're gonna remove those bolts from the top, so that way it's much easier. So you're not trying to like reach bolts from the bottom, because that's a pain in the neck. So it just makes more sense to remove them now while the car is on the ground. So let's go and do that.
There's that one that came out that's
Yeah, that one helped out recently a lot.
well, down. It's like almost
Alright guys, so we're underneath the car. I removed both panels. I also removed the exhaust from the mid pipe and the whole catback up until right there. So you don't really have to take off the whole exhaust. You can just take it off from there, the mid pipe all the way down. And now what I'm gonna do is drain the transmission oil from here. And we're gonna let it drain and filter the oil because I'm gonna be using the same oil because
Typically you wouldn't do that, but
still, yeah, you wouldn't do that. You would want to change it, but since I just put it last time we did the transmission, we're just gonna filter it out. So let's do that.
yeah, alright. So you can spin the drive shaft now. Get the bottom too. See? Just out of the way, so we can just unscrew those.
Alright, little my long shaft. Alright, Barney. It's about to come out, guys. See, I like the way you handle my shaft.
Boy.
Ready?
Yeah, that one. Get the front out first, I guess.
shaft. How come that's not coming out?
because we didn't try it yet. All right, let's try to push it back in. Yeah, there you go. There goes my shaft.
Yeah, blow the whole starter in.
Alright guys, so Z just removed the 2 bolts holding the starter in.
Taking it out now.
And there's also a ground you want to unscrew. It's a 12 mil.
Oh, let me put this up in there. Yep. Gucci. Gucci. It's like I'll separate from the block already. Wait, do we have to disengage anything? Or? No, bro, it's disengaged. We got it out.
See, it's really light.
3 people, dude.
Alright guys, once you get the transmission down and off, and you get the flywheel out and the clutch out, you want to clean this surface area right here, and also clean the new flywheel that you're going to be using. So you want to make sure you get this flywheel really clean, because when they store it, they put some oil on it, and you want to make sure you get that oil off. Now we're going to put some Loctite on it and put it, the new bolts that came with it, we're going to put it back on the engine, and then we're going to bolt everything back up and put the transmission back after changing the throwout bearing and cleaning the inside of the transmission housing.
Torque it, Z.
I'm very good, my guy.
Let's see you torque it. Damn, Z. Damn.
I wish you could be this tall.
Yo, so
You grab the,
yeah, I'm gonna grab something, all right.
There you go. Get the bar, my guy.
I'll grab your bars. Watch out. Let me
Put it in the same spot. Make sure you get it in right this time.
I always get it in right.
Pause.
Put a pause on that. That's a fact.
Right.
My nigga, I was born. Yo, you sure this 20 something pounds?
It's clicked.
Look these nuts, man. You get the right strength for this, bro? Alright guys, so quick update, man. We
tired.
We tired, bro. This is a tiring job. It takes a long time and we're tired.
Where's the gun?
Oh, right there. So, update. We got the flywheel and the pressure plate on. We also got the transmission back on. The new throwout bearing is on. Everything was lubed up. Everything was bolted up. So right now we're putting the drive shaft back together. I refilled the transmission with the transmission fluid. What else? And so you just finished putting the bolts on for the drive shaft, and we're gonna bolt that up and bolt up everything else, make sure everything is tight, go back up and do the whole interior, and then we'll be done for that. Hopefully. And get something to grub because I'm hungry.
Drop it.
No, but the thing is, that one, that clutch gets hot easy.
Oh yeah. So when it gets hot.
Do not rev it to like 2,000 and try and
No. Rev it to like 1,000.
just baby the gas and let it out. Like 1,200 RPM and just
100 and play with it.
Yeah.
It feels right.
Yeah, it's just very little movement with your foot.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Huge shout out to Steven and Z for helping me out. There was no way in hell I would have been able to do this by myself.
Imagine Bobby.
Well, they know
on
that.
Track, trying to do this.
Nah, dude. It took me weeks. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'm gonna link all their accounts and the shop's information in the description. Huh?
It never does it.
Does what?
Never does links our show.
Yes I do. Yes I do. Alright, anyways guys,
35 people that watch every day.
Yo, suck like dick, bro. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Yeah, I gotta get used to it too. I got it though.